Tyler's here. Let's go outside, Snap-on Wednesday. Hey, you guys know what day it is today, right? It's Snap-on Wednesday, bitches.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, how are you, Tyler?
Oh, all ramped up and ready to go after the exciting SFC show in
Yeah.
Washington, D.C.
That's awesome. Looks like you guys had lots of fun.
Oh, we always have fun. It was a lot of work. Massive show. Lots of products to see. Lots of cool stuff coming down the pipe.
Cool. I'm excited to see some of it.
Of course, don't have any of it yet,
Yeah.
but it's coming.
Yeah, that's cool.
Of course,
Awesome.
a lot of talk about the new brushless half-inch impact gun, cordless impact that's coming.
Yeah.
We should see it hopefully in October.
Oh yeah. That's
Yep.
cool.
She's
October.
a beauty.
Nice.
Lots of nice new toolbox color combinations.
I saw that. Seems like that's what they kind of focused on a lot this year, eh? Was a lot of toolbox stuff.
No more so than before, but there's some innovations now.
Yeah.
Before, of course, in the beginning, you got a red toolbox, a blue toolbox, or a black toolbox. That's what you got.
Yeah.
Now, you can get different color trim. So you order a black toolbox with blue trim or orange trim, whatever you want. Well, you can actually customize a step further now, so you can get a black box, so like the frame.
Yeah.
Then you could get any color drawer.
Really?
So you get green drawers with orange trim. So now you got 3 different things to choose from.
Cool.
In fact, so a lot of the pictures that you've posted, you'll see kind of a 3-tone scenario going on.
So that's what that is. I thought
Yeah.
it was. I thought that was like those aluminum plates
Nope.
or whatever that people were putting over top of them.
No.
Well, that's interesting. That's cool. I like it.
Which then, of course, well, is another reason why you can't just order a box and get it 2 days later.
Right.
6 to
sense.
8 weeks when they got to start
Yeah.
assembling different pieces, different colors.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
It's exciting.
Yeah, lots of cool contests coming. Lots of promos.
Yeah.
Lots of buy one, get one free deals.
Well, that's good for us.
It was exciting.
Yeah.
Lots of fun. A lot of work.
Right on.
Sales planning for the rest of my year I did there.
So when are you gonna? Do you get like one humongous order?
No.
You get it all in bits.
It'll all be spaced out between now and, well, week 50, so we're in 33 now, so
Oh, okay.
over the next 16 weeks, give or take.
Yeah. Cool.
Oh, no, I need to put this back up here.
Well, super excited to see some of the new stuff. I'm sure next year is going to be pretty cool, considering it's going to be Snap-on's 100th year.
100th anniversary.
Yeah.
Should be a big event.
That's pretty cool. That'll be super fun for everybody.
Big shout out to all the other wonderful Snap-on men and women that I met down there. Had a great time.
Yeah.
And they all know Snap-on Wednesday.
Fucking Tyler, the Snap-on ambassador now to Canada.
Really?
No, I don't know.
Okay.
Probably though.
Unofficially.
Oh, that's funny.
I had to keep correcting people, and they said, "Hey, we love your channel."
Yeah.
It's not my channel.
Yeah. Well, you're the star of it on Wednesdays for sure.
Yeah.
And this guy.
Solid.
I thought that was dead.
That'll never die. That's
Jesse's
every
bringing it back.
morning I still say that to you, I think.
Oh fuck. Yeah.
Yep.
Cool. Other than some promos that came in from the Hot Tools flyer,
Oh yeah.
I don't really have anything new and exciting to share today.
Well, that's cool.
The quarter drive stuff is all a BOGO.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Sockets, extensions, ratchets, swivels. I think we've had a look at the AN wrenches
Yep.
last time around. And the hub scrubbers.
Yes.
Just got restocked on those.
Yes.
Now I'm waiting. I think we covered that too. I
Yeah.
don't know.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's a
I
cool
see.
little light. It's inexpensive and it's fucking good light.
Is there a laser on it?
Yeah, man. Make your dogs go nuts. Ah, fuck. Well, you know what I do have is like an 8-minute slideshow for you guys from the SFC show. So
Lots of pictures.
yeah, so that'll be tagged to the end of this video. So
And I got to meet Jared Deanda, who's the star of our
oh yeah,
all our garage videos.
Yeah.
That's not one of them, but
no, yeah, he looks like a big dude.
big man,
Bigger than you, and you're a big guy.
super nice guy.
Super lube.
That's what goes in your ratchets when I repair them.
It goes somewhere else too, probably.
Whoa.
All the colors of the rainbow, baby.
Offside.
All right, well, we can. Oh, that's all fucked up. There you go. There you go. Okay, we can head into the video anyway. So I'm gonna finish it off right now. So
And a shout out to Jeremy too.
yeah, there you go. All right, guys, have a good Wednesday. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out. We'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned. It's 8 minutes of video or 8 minutes of slides.
Enjoy.